The content in this video is for edutainment purposes only. Please do your research before purchasing any cryptocurrency investment. Here are the top 5 ETFs to buy to make money from Bitcoin. Global and Blockchain ETF, BKCH. Some companies, especially those involved in Bitcoin mining and cryptocurrency exchanges, have actually done really well in recent months. That's the reason behind the Global x Blockchain ETF performing better than the average stock lately. This ETF basically tracks a bunch of companies involved in the blockchain world like Coinbase, Riot Platforms, and Galaxy Digital. Investing in this ETF is an easy way to get exposure to the whole blockchain space. Analysts think these blockchain stocks might get an even bigger boost soon because of the upcoming Bitcoin halving in April. ProShares Bitcoin and Ether Market Cap Weight Strategy ETF, BETH. BETH aims to split your money between Bitcoin and Ethereum based on how big each one is in the overall market right now. Bitcoin is the giant of the crypto world, so BETH automatically puts about 75% towards Bitcoin. BETH doesn't actually buy and hold Bitcoin or Ethereum for you. Instead, it uses futures to track the prices of these cryptos. It's a bit like betting on the future price rather than owning the coins themselves, and there's an annual fee of 0.95% to use BETH for this service. Fidelity-Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund FBTC. Not everyone in the finance world was excited about the idea of Bitcoin ETFs. Big investment company Vanguard was one of the skeptics, publicly announcing they wouldn't create their own Bitcoin ETF or offer other companies Bitcoin ETFs on their trading platform. Crypto fans were not happy about this and even called for a boycott of Vanguard. Meanwhile, Vanguard's competitor Fidelity went the opposite route. They launched their own Bitcoin ETF called FBTC. You can buy and sell this ETF directly on Fidelity's platform, and currently they're not even charging any fees to trade it. Investors seem to like it. FBTC has gotten really popular and now has around $7 billion invested in it. Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF, GBTC. Grayscale was the first big player in the game, and even now, it's still the top dog with over $27 billion invested. It started out a bit differently and played a role in making those newer ETFs possible. Investors are ditching GBTC for other Bitcoin ETFs that charge less or even nothing at all. Time will tell if GBTC can overcome the pricing issue and stay the biggest player in the Bitcoin ETF space. The Bitwise Bitcoin ETF, BitB. This ETF made news in January for being really transparent. They actually published the Bitcoin address where they keep the Bitcoin that backs the ETF, so anyone can verify how much Bitcoin they actually hold. Investors can even donate Bitcoin to the fund if they want. But transparency isn't BitB's only selling point. For starters, they're not charging any fees for the first 6 months, at least on the first $1 billion invested. This ETF has been traded a ton, and as of March 7th, it holds a whole bunch of Bitcoin. That was it for the video. Which ETF are you going to choose? Tell us in the comments. Like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel for the best crypto content. Do your own research before investing. See you in the next one.